Have a BCB file with unclear origins? This extension may relate to Borland C Builder or other applications requiring identification. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and working with these BCB data files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens BCB files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. BCB files are data files potentially associated with Borland C Builder development environment or other applications using this extension. They may contain project data, compiled output, or application-specific data structures, depending on the originating software, with limited general documentation about file format specifics. BCB files have application-dependent internal structure requiring source application identification for proper handling. The format may include project configuration data, compiled binary output, or application-specific data structures with possibilities including Borland, C++ Builder project files, compiled object code, or specialized application data. The designated application for the BCB file is Embarcadero RAD Studio from Embarcadero. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows cannot interpret the contents, so specialized or archival tools are often needed. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the BCB file and hit Open with. Test Embarcadero RAD Studio first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If your BCB file still refuses to open, stay calm. This BCB file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error source. First, trying C++ Builder. If the BCB file relates to Borland C++ Builder, open it in C++ Builder IDE or its successor Embarcadero RAD Studio. Use File then Open to load potential project files or compiled output. The development environment recognizes BCB-related content if the file originates from C++ Builder development workflows. Next, identifying source application. Determine the originating application by examining file locations surrounding files and contextual information. Use file identification tools like ChairID to analyze binary signatures, providing clues about the source software. Different applications may use BCB extensions for varied purposes, requiring proper identification for handling. Finally, examining contents. Open BCB files in a hex editor like HXD to inspect binary structure or text editor for partial text content examination. Look for compiler signatures, application identifiers, or recognizable patterns that reveal the source application, enabling proper software selection for file handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.